We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this food, a member of the cashew family. There is a whole debate about how it is to be pronounced. The word initially originated from Greek, went through Latin, Italian and French, hence perhaps the confusion. In French, it is said as pistache, with a sh sound. In Italian, however, it is said as pistachio, pistachio, with a k sound, just like the Greek word it came from. However, in Italian, it is spelled with double C before the H, pistacchio. In English, though, it is usually said as pistachio, because it's a mix between the French and the Italian, and it seems that this pronunciation the English language has adopted, pistachio. Pistachio is perfectly fine in English. If you want to sound more Italian, go with pistacchio. Does that make sense? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.